वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 8 का 5th लेसन सोशल साइंस है। 5th लेसन नेचुरल डिजास्टर। इस वर्कबुक के हम सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। तो फर्स्ट चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। इसमें फर्स्ट है व्हाट इज द प्लेस नियरेस्ट टू द फोकस ऑफ एन अर्थक्वेक ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ कॉल्ड। तो इसका सही आंसर बी आएगा, epicenter. Due to how many regions are volcanic eruption caused? 4 आंसर आएगा। How many types of volcanic mountains are there? 3. What is the approximate length is kilometers of tsunami wave? 700 to 1600. 5th, when did the tsunami disaster occur in Japan? D. On 11 March 2011. Which pollution should be reduced or reducing the possibility of drought? Atmospheric. Filling the blanks with proper words in the following statement. An earthquake is caused due to internal disturbance in the earth. The maximum effect of an earthquake is near the epicenter on the surface. The effect of an earthquake depends on its intensity. 4th, potassium of land increases due to lava. Lava soil is fertile because it contains focus. The origin of an earthquake is known as flood. The fast flow of water in river is called cyclone. Often forest fire strikes in the coastal range of India. Forest resources get depleted due to KONKAN. KONKAN. Due to landslide, seismograph. Railway get obstructed frequently. SEISMOGRAPH. An earthquake is recorded with a coastal rain. Tsunami or cyclone cause destruction near coastal rain. Question 3 true false है। First, the focus of the earthquake is on the surface of the earth. False. The effect of an earthquake depend on its speed. True. Heavy gases below the lava push it downwards. False. Fertility of land decreases due to lava. False. Diamonds are found at few volcanic ranges. True. The wave of tsunami are high but short. False. More trees should be grown to prevent drought. True. Heavy damage is caused to forest due to cyclone. True. Question 4 match the pair correctly. Sudden shaking of the surface of the earth, इसका थर्ड आंसर आएगा, that is earthquake. Fertile lava, इसका 6th आंसर volcano. Power and devastating sea waves, इसका फर्स्ट आंसर आएगा सुनामी. द फास्ट फ्लो ऑफ वाटर इन रिवर, 4th का 5th आंसर आएगा फ्लड. शॉर्ट डैमेज टू फॉरेस्ट रिसोर्सेज, 5th का 2 आंसर आएगा फॉरेस्ट फायर. शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड एंड वाटर, 6 का 4 आंसर आएगा ड्रॉट. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आंसर्स दिखाई दे रहा है, इस तरह से आपको लिखना है. नेक्स्ट 5 क्वेश्चन. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 or 2 sentences. इन 1 क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज एन अर्थ. ड्यू टू कैटास्ट्रॉफिक सडन movement like collision of plate in the interior of the earth or heavy pressure, the weak upper crust of the earth experience sudden Fremons, Fremons. This is called earthquake. What is an epicenter? The request place from the focus on the surface of the earth perpendicular to the focus is called epicenter. Which instrument record earthquake? Earthquake are recorded with a seismograph. How many types of earthquake are there? Which are they? Earthquake caused by volcanic eruption. Second, earthquake caused by strike, slip, faults. Third, earthquake caused by subduction in an active subduction alone. What is a volcanic mountain? Volcano refer to an opening in the earth's crust from which motion, lava, rock, fragment, ash, dust and gases are ejected from below the earth surface. What are the reasons for the volcanic eruption? Volcanic eruption occur due to four main reasons. High temperature in the interior of the earth. Second, creation of magma. Third, creation of gases and vapor. And fourth, rising of magma towards earth's surface. Toward earth's surface. How many types of volcanoes are there? Which are they? There are three types of volcanoes. There are first active volcano, latest volcano and extinct volcano. What is a tsunami? Tsunami is a Japanese word. TSU means a part and HAMI means waves. Due to volcanic eruption or an earthquake on the Sail Ocean floor, huge, very strong and abnormally high and unimaginably यानी इसका स्पेलिंग है UNIMAGINABLY. ठीक है. Long waves are created. These are called tsunami. ठीक है. These are called tsunami. तो ये आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. These are called tsunami. Next, which area experience landslides more frequently? Why? Landslide occur more in a region of heavy rainfall and in tectonic zone. This is so because surface rocks are broken due to heavy rainfall or due to an earthquake. Question 10. By which other name are cyclone known? Storm or whirlwind? Question 6. Answer the following question briefly. What is the flood? Which areas are more affected due to flood? Answer है due to heavy and continuous rainfall in the upper course of a river or due to bursting of a dam causes water to flow at great speed. This is called a flood. Low-lying areas along the river bed are most affected by floods. Next, what is drought? A drought means the occurrence of rain. Such a condition is created when there is no rainfall or scanty rainfall, which lead to the drying up of groundwater. This is called drought. Droughts creates shortage of food, grain and water. When is storm created? When a low pressure area develop over land or sea, powerful winds blow towards this area from the surrounding rains. When these blow powerfully along with rainfall, a storm is developed. What is a forest fire? In dense forest, dry branches of larger trees come into friction with each other frequently due to wind. This generates fire which spread quickly within the forest. Such fire occur due to other reason also. Such a fire is called forest fire. A lot of damage is caused due to forest fire. Can the disaster mentioned in this unit be called geographical event? Why? Yes, the disaster mentioned in this unit can be called geographical event. Earthquake, volcano, tsunami, flood, drought, landslide, etc. are disasters which occur on the surface of the earth. So this can be called geographical event. How can you get information about disaster from the government? तो इसका आंसर है गुजरात स्टेट डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट अथॉरिटी. Information regarding disaster and their management can be collected from the following address by post or by email. Block number 11, 5th floor, Udyog Bhavan, Gandhinagar -382017. Telephone number +917923259220. Fax number +917923259275. Email info@gsdma.org. Question 734, page number. Answer the following question. What benefits would you get if you live in a volcanic rain? Write 5 points. If you live in a rain of dead volcano, you shall get the following benefits. First, as magma soil is very fertile, sustainable crops can be grown. Second, there will be abundant farm production in the volcanic soil on the slope of the volcano. Third, minerals such as mercury, lead, antimony, lead, zinc, tungsten, tin, etc. also available from lava rocks which are used in industries. 4. Diamonds are found in this area. 5th, at a few places there are hot water spring and geyser. Second, what efforts should be made to prevent drought, famine from occurring? Write 5 points. The following efforts should be made to prevent drought, famine. Every year, more or more trees should be planted and nurtured. Second, prevent atmosphere pollution to maintain the humidity in the atmosphere. Third, wells should be deepened or should be recharged to get water for drinking and for irrigation. Fourth, water storage tank or reservoir should be built to store rainwater and storm water. Fifth, lakes should be made deeper to store more rain water. Question 3. What is the volcanic eruption? What is the process of volcano? Explain. The magma is pushed upwards by the gases lying in under the magma. Secondly, the water percolating all through the cracks and opening of weak rock subfactants into vapor. This vapor is full of pressure owing to lack of space and tries to come out with the great force. This vapor also causes magma to rise upward. The gases present in the magma reach near the surface of the earth and erupt with high pressure in the form of lava, as gases, rock, pieces of various shapes and size, etc., and this is form of mountain-like structure. Question 4. State the benefit of a volcano eruption. Write the 5 points. Benefit of volcano eruption are: first, due to such eruptions, a large layer of lava spread on the surface of the earth and lava soil is formed. This lava soil is very fertile and is useful for agriculture. And second, abundant crops can be obtained with the help of potassium rich soil of volcano resides. Third, volcanic rain are composed of igneous rock, precious mineral like mercury and antimony, leads, zinc, tungsten like tin, etc. are available from this rock. And 4, at few places in the volcanic rain there are hot water spring and geysers which are useful in curing certain skin disease. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में 5th लेसन यहीं पे खत्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.